Hello, I am Dr. Harrison Wright, a specialist in geriatric health, and today I want to talk to you about something that concerns many adults over the age of 60: the gradual loss of strength in the legs. If you have ever woken up in the morning and felt that your legs were heavy, stiff, or weaker than they used to be, you are not alone. Many people believe this is simply a normal part of aging, but the truth is that in many cases, it is not just age. Very often, it is related to nutrition, circulation, and the way our muscles recover during the night. Before we begin, I would like to invite you to participate in this conversation. Please leave a comment below with the phrase, "Strong legs, strong life." Writing this phrase is a small but powerful reminder that maintaining mobility is one of the most important things we can do to preserve independence as we grow older. Now, let us talk about what is really happening in the body. Many seniors notice that their legs feel weaker in the morning. Standing up from a chair becomes more difficult. Climbing stairs takes more effort. Walking longer distances can lead to fatigue much faster than before. These changes can feel frustrating and sometimes even frightening. However, recent research has revealed something encouraging. Certain foods can help the muscles recover faster, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation, sometimes within just hours. This does not mean that food is a miracle cure, but what we eat can dramatically influence how our muscles function. The body depends on specific nutrients to repair muscle fibers, maintain nerve communication, and deliver oxygen through the bloodstream. When these nutrients are missing, the legs may feel tired, unstable, or weak. When they are present in the right amounts, the body often responds surprisingly quickly. Let us begin with something simple that many people overlook: pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays an essential role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Without enough magnesium, muscles may cramp, fatigue quickly, or respond slowly to nerve signals. As a result, walking can feel more difficult, and balance may suffer. By providing a concentrated source of magnesium, along with zinc and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds help support muscle recovery and reduce tension in the legs. Even a small portion can begin supplying the minerals your muscles need to function properly. As we move from minerals to circulation, another powerful option appears: tart cherry juice. At first glance, it might seem like just another fruit drink, but tart cherries contain compounds known as anthocyanins that help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. When blood circulates more efficiently through the legs, muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This helps clear metabolic waste that causes soreness and stiffness. Many people who drink tart cherry juice notice that their legs feel less tight and more responsive the following morning. Now, speaking of nutrients that directly support muscle performance, we cannot ignore spinach. This dark green vegetable may look simple, but it contains nitrates, magnesium, potassium, and iron, all of which play important roles in oxygen delivery and muscle contraction. When spinach is cooked lightly, the body can absorb more of these nutrients. Once inside the bloodstream, the nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, which helps widen blood vessels and improve circulation to the lower body. As a result, the muscles in the legs receive more oxygen and recover more efficiently after activity. From leafy greens, we move naturally toward another humble but powerful food: lentils. Lentils provide a combination of plant protein, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and essential minerals that help muscles maintain steady energy. The slow release of carbohydrates means the body receives a constant supply of fuel instead of sudden spikes and crashes. This steady energy helps reduce fatigue when walking or standing, and also supports the rebuilding of muscle fibers overnight. Another food that deserves special attention is salmon. Salmon contains high-quality protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Together, these nutrients support muscle repair while reducing inflammation within muscle tissue. Omega-3 fats enter muscle cells and help calm inflammatory signals, that contribute to stiffness and discomfort. Meanwhile, vitamin D supports proper muscle contraction and helps maintain bone strength, both of which are essential for stable and confident movement. Now, let us consider a plant-based food that many people overlook: quinoa. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa contains all essential amino acids needed to build muscle tissue. This makes it a complete protein source. When the body receives these amino acids together with minerals like magnesium and iron, it becomes easier for the muscles in the legs to rebuild and maintain strength. Because quinoa digests slowly, it also helps maintain steady energy levels during the evening and overnight recovery. As we continue exploring foods that support circulation, we arrive at beets. Beets are particularly interesting because they contain natural nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow, especially to the lower body. When circulation improves, muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to perform better and recover faster. Many people who drink beet juice notice that their legs feel lighter and more energetic within a short period of time. Finally, there is one food that many traditional cultures have valued for generations: bone broth. Bone broth contains collagen, amino acids, and minerals that help support joints, muscles, and connective tissue. Because these nutrients are already dissolved in liquid form, the body can absorb them quickly. This makes bone broth particularly useful after activity or physical therapy, when muscles need immediate support for recovery. When we look at these foods together, we begin to see a pattern. Each one supports a different part of the system that keeps our legs strong. Some provide minerals for muscle contraction. Others improve circulation or reduce inflammation. Some supply protein for rebuilding tissue, while others support the joints and connective structures that allow us to move smoothly. But nutrition alone is only part of the picture. The body also benefits from simple daily habits. Gentle movement, even a short walk, signals the muscles that they are still needed. Proper hydration allows nutrients to travel through the bloodstream more efficiently. And regular meals containing balanced nutrients help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Before we finish today, I would like to leave you with a simple challenge. Choose one of the foods we discussed today and add it to your next meal. Pay attention to how your legs feel tomorrow morning. Many people notice subtle improvements in stability, coordination, and comfort within a surprisingly short period of time. And please remember to write the phrase, "Strong legs, strong life," in the comments below. When you share that message, you may inspire someone else to take a small step toward improving their health. Strength in the legs means freedom to move, confidence to walk, and the ability to enjoy everyday life. Taking care of your muscles through proper nutrition and gentle activity is one of the most valuable investments you can make in your future health. It has been a pleasure sharing this moment with you.